My name's Kyle and I work with NorthStar Solar. A typical installation with a SolarEdge battery should take you one day with probably anywhere from 3 to 4 guys, and that's even including the roof. Installations are extremely easy because it's all single unit product for the most part. Single bracket, single battery, you don't have multiple pieces. And also too, just everything's nice and cleanly laid out and nicely labeled and easily accessible and easily to train on. The SolarEdge commissioning is a lot easier than other systems because their software is pretty flawless and quick and straightforward. Other systems take about anywhere from an hour to 3 days to commission their systems. And with SolarEdge commissioning, it's usually less than 30 minutes. Having a faster commissioning really helps you plan out your day, plan out your projects, get to multiple of them at a time, cuts down on having to phone into your manufacturer and having to troubleshoot the system. Really helps make you have a nice clean head for the day. SolarEdge is really great because you can start diverting your extra power to charge the batteries or things like EV chargers and hook up individual equipment directly to the inverters and use the extra power that SolarEdge allows you to use on a single inverter. As an electrician, it's really important to limit the time that you're spending on job sites, and not having to go back to them is really key and important, which SolarEdge's product has done a great job at doing that.